Thank you. Good evening. I'm going to talk tonight about the largest river by discharge on the planet, which is the Amazon. How many people here know how the Amazon was formed? No? OK, so I'm going to tell you different stories about it, because it turns out that when you ask this question to people from different cultures, they come up with different answers. And that is what we as ethnogeologists do. We ask knowledgeable people from different cultures to learn more about the Earth. So me as a scientist, as a Western scientist, I'm going to tell you the story. But when I went down to the basin, I found a more interesting, engaging story about the Amazon River. It talks about a water tree. This tree was the son of a water god, and it was holding the foods for the people and the animals in the forest. As it was growing, some water at its base was expanding and expanding. And this tree got to be so huge, so humongous, that the animals were not able to reach for the fruit anymore. And this water at its base got flooded like the whole area, so it also made things really hard for them. Turns out that they had to chop down this tree. And when it fell, the trunk of the tree formed the Amazon River, and all the branches formed the branches of the river, and the little twigs were the creeks. Also, the leaves of the tree became the forest, and many animals like fish and fruits and the pink dolphin came out of that trunk. That's how the Amazon was formed, they told me. Now, the Western science actually has many parallels. 25 million years ago, northern South America was all flooded. There was no Amazon River, and the northern Andes were like pretty much down. As this mountain rose and uplifted, it like drained the water that was stuck there and connected the Andes with the Atlantic Ocean. So the first sediment from the Andes to the Atlantic Ocean reached there like about 11 million years ago. That's how it was formed. So as you can see, these two stories talk about a big flooded area. These two stories are rooted on the physical world, and the natives down there have been observing. They also know their environment, like ants, or like Angel was telling us with the cave. They are doing science, because science is a human, it's part of the human nature. It's not part of the Western science, all uniquely, right? So this really got me thinking how we can bridge different sources of knowledge so we can learn more about the Earth and also empower other people, hear other voices, represent them here, or have them come and tell us their story so they can also be at the same level. So I want to leave you with this question. Next time you hear a story, think about what is the science behind the metaphor. Thank you.
Thank you, Carolina.